Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Coach Julia, and today I am going to be teaching you a pair skating lift. We have pair skating going on in the Olympics right now, and I was just feeling inspired to do some pairs. Now, I am not actually a pair skater, but I have done lots of it. I'm too tall to be a pairs lady, and I'm not quite manly enough to do a pairs man. But I happen to have a wonderful friend who is willing to come do pairs with me. This is Coach Sam.
Hello.
If you were here yesterday, we did the Killian spin together, which is one of the beginner pair spins. Yes, today we're going to do something called a Lutz Lift. Now, Sam is a lefty, I'm a righty, but she's going to be super sweet and rotate my direction for this. So
yes.
Thanks for being a good sport.
Of course.
Shall we show them what this looks like and then break it down a little bit?
Sounds good.
All right. So that is what the lift looks like. Now, if I was a giant strong man and she was a tiny, tiny little lady, I probably could have gotten her way up here, just like you see these pairs do in the Olympics. But figure skating is for everybody. And you can do pairs even when you're two very similarly sized ladies or whoever you want to skate with. Find your best friend, do some pairs with them. Did you know that there are categories for pair competitions, even with like similar pairs and all ages? So get out there and skate with your friends, you guys. Okay, so we're starting out with a very fancy hold right here. Sam is holding my pinky. Okay, so she has her thumb around my pinky and I'm holding onto her wrist. We're doing this so that it creates a really nice stable connection. Our hands can't slide away. And that way when she's gonna do her backward crossovers, she can push right through my arm and we're moving like we're one unit. We are gonna start with a few backward crossovers with our right leg crossing over the left to create some momentum. Sam is going to be looking over her shoulder at me so that we can move as one. So we want to try to make those crossovers timed really nicely together. If you don't have that, just practice that first, okay? You don't have to worry about any other skills until you can do back crossovers together. Your pushes need to be the same. You want to be moving as if you are one skater. You don't want to have one skater sliding in front or behind, okay? So the first thing to do, look at your partner and practice those back crossovers, getting them. Now, the nice thing is she's looking behind me too, so I don't have to. I can look at my gorgeous friend here and she can make sure we're both being really nice and safe. Now, once you have gotten the crossovers together, I want to show you how to move into this Lutz. So what's going to happen is I'm going to bring my partner in towards me. She's going to place her left hand on my right shoulder, and I'm going to put my right hand under her armpit. So what's going to happen is as we do this lift, I'm pushing up and she's pushing down. So I'm going to, if I was super strong, I'd be like, wow, all the way up, and she would be pushing all the way down. Okay, so that's the concept here. So her left hand on my right shoulder, my right hand under her left armpit. I'm then going to take her left hand, right hand, my left hand to her right. So she has a second point of contact where she can push and I can push. So she's going to push down on that hand and I'm going to push up on that hand. So I'm pushing up and she's pushing down into this position. Okay, so you can get it, just try some backward crossovers and then get into this position and practice like hopping without any kind of a turn. In fact, let's show them what that looks like. So we're gonna do those crossovers. I'm gonna pull my partner into me. We're gonna 2-foot glide next to each other and we're gonna practice the lift. Okay, so we're just practice. Now, the closer I can get my partner to me, the better leverage I had. I feel like that one was a little bit out far. So if we came in closer, you have much better leverage for both of you to get that lift. So now let's talk about the feet. My job, my feet is fairly simple. I need to be stable and strong. So after my crossovers, I'm gonna place my feet together, I'm gonna bend, I'm gonna turn, and then I'm gonna push forward onto my left, right? So it's simple. Together, bend, 2-foot turn, and then I'm gonna push from my right leg onto my left. My partner's footwork is a little bit more complicated. So she's doing her right over left crossovers. She's also gonna, for a moment, 2-foot glide, but then she's gonna get onto her right back outside edge. You can see her left back outside edge, her right leg is ready to tap. I'm gonna bend, and at the same time, she's gonna reach. So she is on her outside edge here on her left. Her right leg is ready to tap, and we are both prepped. I'm bent on 2 feet, she's ready to jump. Now we have no momentum here, so this is gonna be very difficult, but she's going to tap, execute a Lutz like normal, and land backwards. That was pretty impressive with no momentum, I've got to say.
She's got some muscles.
I do. I do. I always end up the man in pair skating. Why does that happen?
Just a little bit taller than me.
A little bit taller, and I do have some muscles. So her job, she's going to get on 2 feet, get onto her left outside, reach back to prep. As I lift her, she's going to jump, rotate all the way around, land backwards on her right back outside edge. That is the breakdown of how the Lutz Lift works. From there, you just need to practice and always do your best to be kind to your partner and watch out for their safety.
Yes.
Okay, that is the #1 rule of pair skating. Watch out for your partner's safety. You don't want anyone else hitting them, and you don't want to do something that's going to make them injured. So, #1 rule. Okay, we're going to start with those back crossovers. I'm going to pull my partner in to my right shoulder. We're going to prep together, lift, and check out. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that Lutz Lift tutorial. And Sam, thank you so much for being such a good sport.
Yes.
Rotating right-handed for me.
It's always fun to do something new.
I don't think I would want to try that going the other way.
It's a little scary, but it's very fun, I promise.
My muscles know how to do it that way.
They're hardwired.
They are hardwired, that's right. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please do give us that thumbs up. And always, I'm looking forward to reading your comments in that section down below. If you would like more instruction like that from me, I would invite you to head over to the Coach Julia Club. That's coachjulia.club, where I teach everything there is to know about figure skating in the correct order, from your very, very first steps out on the ice through 10 different levels all the way through your double rotation jumps. So I hope I see you there. If you haven't done so yet, though, hit the subscribe button on this YouTube channel so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.